Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 19th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the Aussie dollar did make a pretty decent push down. I mean, we are definitely at a pretty obvious support area right here. And really, there's actually another really obvious support area down here. So there's definitely some major support coming up for the Aussie. If you go into the higher time phase, the Aussie dollar has been very, 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 very choppy for several weeks now. And it still has not been able to make an engulfing move to the downside. So the trend is definitely up on all higher time frames. And that means that anything we see to the downside, we still kind of need to assume could be nothing more than a pullback to the uptrend. So basically, if one of these support areas, if you do get like a double bottom break or structure to the upside at one of these support areas, I definitely would get back on the long side if possible because all the higher time frames are in an uptrend. There really is a chance, even though I do have an Elliot wave count putting us down for several weeks, there definitely is a chance that this thing just keeps on trending up on the higher time frames, even though it's very choppy. It is definitely still in an uptrend on all the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.